Weather forecasting is the prediction of the state of the atmosphere for a given location using the application of science and technology. So today, I am going to show you one of the methods in weather forecasting, which is the analog. Analog forecasts use historical weather conditions to predict current and future conditions. Repeatedly, conditions patterns and relationships are examined and encouraged to use of rules of thumbs. So, essentially building up a pattern in climate weather and essentially build this knowledge for putting yourself for experience. So, for example, um, last year we had these weather conditions and we had rain. Thus, there is a good chance for rain today. So, you look for a sort of happen in the recent past, or maybe you look back in the previous years. So, I need I need to make sure to take the umbrella with me all the time and also my jacket.
This is schematic depicts the data-driven framework for prediction of cold spells based on the large-scale circulation patterns of 3 days earlier. Only the patterns and their labels are inputted in the capsule neural network or CapsNet during the training. For the shown test example, a cold spell in cluster W3 in 3 days is predicted. Changes in the surface features of an area can affect many factors. Large grids can also make it difficult for meteorologists to accurately predict small-scale weather events. Because of this, the temperatures drop just below freezing on the campus. The example of factors are they can affect precipitation, temperature, and even winds. Meteorologists use computer programs called weather models to make forecasts. Since we can collect data from the future, models have to use estimates and assumptions to predict future weather. The atmosphere is changing all the time, so those estimates are less reliable and further you get into the future. The reason it's so hard to predict the weather very far in advance is because weather is incredibly complex and dynamic. Factors like today's temperatures, humidity, prevailing winds, and local geography all have an influence of tomorrow's weather. Weather warnings are important forecasts because they are used to protect life and property. Since outdoor activities are severely curtailed by heavy rain, snow, and wind chill, forecasts can be used to plan activities around these events and to plan ahead and survive them. The goal of weather prediction is to provide information people and organizations can use to reduce weather-related losses and enhance societal benefits, including protection of life and property, public health and safety, and support of economic prosperity and quality of life.